Whenever I tell people कि सिर्फ जेई मेंस क्लियर करने से तुम एक आईआईटी में जा सकते हो, तब मुझे पागल लेके चले जाते। बट क्योंकि तुमने खुद के लिए रिसर्च नहीं करी, वी हैव टू डू इट फॉर यू। तो अगर आप मेरे जैसे जिसने 11 12 में पीसीएम लिया, 2 साल जेई की क्रैक करी एंड देन यू रियलाइज कि आपको साइंस के साथ साथ बिजनेस में भी इंटरेस्ट है, आपको ये सजेस्ट किया गया होगा कि बेटा 4 साल बीटेक कर लो, उसके बाद कैट का एग्जाम देके आईआईएम से एमबीए कर लेना। गेस व्हाट, इसमें आपकी जिंदगी के 8 साल। But there is a course out there where you walk into an IIT straight after class 12, and 5 years later, you walk in with 2 degrees in hand. One is BBA honors in analytics, and the other one is MBA in data science and AI. So, smarty, I am talking about IIT Mandi's IMBA program. And in this video, we are going to break down everything you need to know from the curriculum to the program, the admission process, and why this can be one of the smartest decisions of your life. So if you are in class 11 or 12 और you know someone who isn't, तो शेयर करो ये वीडियो उनके साथ, क्योंकि बहुत सारे बच्चों को ये इन्फॉर्मेशन नहीं मिलती। And let's see. Now let me hit you with something big. IIT Mandi is the first IIT who launched its 5-year MBA program. Why IIT Mandi's IMBA? It's because you entered right after class 12. You're done in 5 years. You save time, money, and the degree that you're getting, you're doing an MBA in data analytics and artificial intelligence. Arguably the hottest skill set in the business world right now. Okay, let's talk about what you'll actually be learning inside the program, because the curriculum is genuinely impressive. Program is designed across 5 pillars. Everything a business leader needs: marketing, finance, HR, operations, strategy, entrepreneurship, business law, and ethics. This is where it gets exciting. Python programming, machine learning, deep learning, neural networks, natural language processing, AI for marketing, financial analytics, HR analytics, fintech, and social analytics. Calculus, linear algebra, optimization, and statistical analysis. The foundation that makes sure you are actually understanding data. This is something most MBA programs ignore. IIT Mandi builds you as a person. Public speaking, life skills, foreign languages, art forms, written and verbal communication. Because being the smartest person in the room means nothing if you cannot communicate your ideas properly. Drawing from India has a rich intellectual heritage. Subjects on consciousness, holistic well-being, and management insights from the Indian knowledge system. And on top of this, 2 industry internships. One of them 6 months long. You're not just learning business, you're doing business. So now let's talk about what you get at the end of 5 years. So 3 साल के बाद you will get a BBA Analytics with honors, and at the end of 5 years you will receive your postgraduate degree, which is MBA in Data Science and AI. But most students don't know that आपके पास 3 exit options होते हैं। अगर आप 3 साल के बाद प्रोग्राम को एग्जिट करते हो, you get BBA Analytics degree. अगर आप 4 साल के बाद प्रोग्राम को एग्जिट करते हो, तो you get BBA Analytics with honors. अगर आप 5 साल के बाद एग्जिट करते हो, so you get your full postgraduate degree with MBA in data science and AI. So even if life takes a different turn, you don't have to lead empty-handed. And if you're a budding entrepreneur, IIT Mandi gives you a sabbatical for up to 1 year to pursue your startup, which means that IIT Mandi has a very strong entrepreneurial ecosystem, and you get institutional backup for your startup while you're still a student. Now, the question everyone is waiting for: how to get into IIT Mandi program? It's a very simple 3-step process, and it's actually more clear than you think. First, to check the eligibility. For that, you have to pass class 12 with 75% and 65% for the reserve category. Then you must study math and English in your class 12. You must have appeared in JEE Main's paper 1 and have the category-wise cutoff marks for the JEE Advanced. So next step is shortlisting. So based on your JEE Mains NTA score, you will get the email notification for your personal interview. So after your personal interview, the final merit list is prepared by your JEE Mains NTA score 70% and personal interview for 30%. तो अगर तुम्हारा जेई बहुत अच्छा नहीं गया है, तुम्हारा स्कोर अच्छा नहीं आया है, तो भी you have chance to get into the course by giving the best in your interview. There are 72 seats, including 20% reserved for supernumerary female candidates. Government of India reservation norms apply. Let me paint you a picture of where you'll spend the next 5 years of your life. IIT Mandi sits in the Kaman Valley, nested in the Shivalik range of the Himalayas. It's breathtakingly beautiful. And studying somewhere surrounded by the mountains makes everything feel larger than life. But campus life isn't just about the views. There's a whole thriving community there. Clubs and societies, from the entrepreneurship cell to the debate club, from music and dance to the robotronics team, from the writing club to the Google developers group. And there's even Team Demos, a Mars rover team. Flagship events, the AI Accelerate, the HR Conclave, and the Himalayan Business Summit, where industry leaders, professionals, and students get together in these epic Himalayan trips. Leadership talks with experts from the industry, from companies such as Walmart, Wipro, Accenture, PwC, IIM Bangalore, IIM Mumbai, and more, regularly interact with the students and listen to what the students themselves have to say. I want to leave you with a reality check. दुनिया बहुत जल्दी बदल रही है। And I don't think मेरे को ये explain करने की जरूरत है how AI has taken over and how AI is taking it. Companies across all the sectors, whether it is finance, marketing, healthcare, logistics, etc., they're looking for people who know both business and technology. This degree provides you with both of them. So, if you're a student who gave JEE Main in 2025, or you know someone who has, tell them, do not sleep on this opportunity. Applications close on May 19, 2025. The deadline is real. I'll drop all the links. If this video helped you, click that like button, subscribe for more content like this, and share it to the class 12 students who needs to see. I'll see you in the next.